Hello, home dreamers! Samahan niyo ako sa quick tour ng isang kumpletong community. Dito, walking distance lang ang school, sakayan, church, supermarket, kainan, at marami pang iba. Kung gusto mo ng lugar na hindi ka mahihirapan sa araw-araw, this is the perfect place to call home. Dito lahat malapit, lahat convenient. Isang community na talagang designed for real life living. Watch until the end and imagine your life here. Handa ka na bang tumira kung saan kompleto ang saya at ginhawa? Dito lang yan sa Lancaster, New City, the fastest growing community here in Cavite. See you on my next tour!